ladies, welcome back to another Trendy Talia video. My name is Talia for those of you who may be new here or who may have forgotten about me because it has been 2 months since I last posted a YouTube video. But I am back today in collaboration with my good friend Paula Michelle, who I have met here on YouTube and Instagram. She is just the sweetest, kindest, down-to-earth girly girl that I have met in this pink girly community. And I was so thankful when she reached out to me and asked me if I would like to collaborate with her again this summer. And of course I had to say yes. I had so much fun doing the last collaboration with her, which if you don't know, we collaborated on doing a little fall haul and it was so much fun. And this year we are back with a little summer outfits video. So I hope you all enjoy watching. Make sure after you watch this video, you head over to Paula Michelle's channel and you check out her summer outfits video. And I hope you all enjoy these outfits that I'm showing you all today. I just want to say that for each outfit, I was wearing the same shoes and accessories. So real quickly before we get started, these are the sandals that I was wearing for each of the outfits. They are these brown strappy sandals that I bought last year from Forever 21. So I'm not sure if they are going to have the exact same style on their website, but they may have something similar. And if so, I will link it down below. And then as far as my earrings go, I got these off of Amazon. They just have a little T initial, which T for Talia. And then my necklace is from Forever 21 as well. So again, if any of these are still in stock or if I find similar ones, I will be sure to link it down below for you all. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alrighty, so here is the first dress. And I really have to thank my husband for this dress because he surprised me with it when he ran out to Walmart to go get a few groceries. He saw this dress and thought of me, and I just love it so much. The color and the floral print is so adorable. It kind of gives me that baby doll feel when I put this dress on. It's so soft and flowy, and it was only $10.96. So I'm obsessed with this dress. It is so comfortable, so beautiful, and I knew as soon as I seen it, I had to do a little photo shoot with it. And here is my next dress. So I have on this pretty little number from Shein. And it is this blue and white gingham dress with these beautiful butterfly sleeves. And I ordered this in a size small, but honestly, it is a tad bit big for me up top. So I probably could have sized down. And that's the thing with ordering on Shein. You do want to double check the reviews and the sizing and just make sure that it's going to work for you, because I do know that sometimes they run too big or too small. But overall, I think I can make this dress work. It's so pretty and it gives me Bath & Body Works vibes, as you saw from the clip earlier with my shopping bags. I think this is the dress I'm going to wear when I'm shopping at Bath & Body Works. And this next little two-piece set number is also from Shein. Actually, the last few items that you're going to be seeing in this little summer outfits idea are going to be from Shein. It's so affordable and I just love shopping on a budget, and the clothes are actually pretty cute. So I got this two-piece set and I want to say it was around like $12.99 or $13.99, which is not bad at all. It has this beautiful floral print that has like blues, a little bit of yellow, and some of this beautiful lavender lilac color. And the straps are also tie string, so you can adjust the straps to whatever sizing that you like, and you can wear it off the shoulder as well if you would like to wear it like that. we have another cute two-piece set from Shein. Now this one is a little crop top with a knee-length skirt, and the material is that soft, silky satin-like material, and I don't think it's see-through either. It looks very nice on. There's a slit down the side here, so showing a little bit of skin, but in a classy way, I believe. And the colors to me kind of speak 4th of July with the red and the white, so I might even wear this for 4th of July. It's so comfortable. It is kind of flowy too, so it's not too tight. I feel like I could have maybe sized down on this one too a little bit. Like, if you can see, the back here is kind of flapping. But again, I think I can make it work. With Shein, you just want to double check again the reviews, the sizing, and see what other people say about it when they order in your size. So again though, I think I can make this work. If this dress does not scream summer, I don't know what will. It is so adorable. I am loving the pink and white stripes, giving me major Victoria's Secret vibes. And oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Again, the straps are self-tie, so you can adjust it to how you like. I also like that it's one of those like high-low dresses. So in the front here, it's a little bit shorter than it is in the back. And I think this dress would be perfect to go shopping in. You could even wear it to the beach or the pool as like a little swim cover up. So it's very versatile. And the material's very nice. It has that cotton feel to it. It's not see-through. And I am looking forward to rocking this dress this summer. Alright, and we are back with another beautiful blue number. So this one is below the knee length dress again, and it does have a little slit here, and I should say like big slit because it does go a little bit higher than I would like, but as long as you're careful, I think you can be okay. Or you can even like sew it a little bit so it doesn't come up so high, but it's still pretty cute. I love the way this dress looks. It's soft, it's flowy, again with the self-tie straps. I love that. That way you can adjust them to how you like. And the print is so pretty too. I just love these little white daisies on the dress. We have one more pretty little number here, again from Shein, and I decided to share a swimsuit in this little summer outfits video because it is summertime and many people tend to swim during the summer season, and Shein sells some beautiful swimsuits. This one here that I'm wearing gave me major Love Shack fancy vibes, so if you're familiar with the shabby chic style of Love Shack fancy, they sell just gorgeous pieces, but sometimes they can be a little bit out of my budget, and their swimsuits are normally running like $200 to $300, and I just could not bring myself to spend that much money on a swimsuit. But I found this one on Shein. They also have it in a beautiful lilac color as well as an ivory white color and other styles as well. Now, this swimsuit does have ruffle straps here, which make it so darling. The swimsuit obviously is a one-piece, and it is a tad bit cheeky, which is not really my style, so that's why I paired it with this little swimsuit cover-up that is also from Shein. So pretty. And then I have a little straw bag here, also from Shein. It has little seashells on the side. And this is just one of those cute beachy outfits that I am looking forward to wearing this summer. Alrighty girlies, and that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. Make sure to head over to Paula Michelle's channel and watch her summer collab video. Tell her that I sent you her way and give her a little hello. Leave a comment, a like, and subscribe. And I will be sure to link her account information down below, such as TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and anything that is left in stock that I shared today in my summer outfits video. I'll be sure to link down in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you would like to see more trendy content from me, make sure you click that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It would really help me out. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!